Welcome to the channel. If you've been looking to upgrade your kitchen with tools that actually make cooking easier, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down 10 kitchen gadgets that may be worth adding to your countertop, from quick everyday helpers to bigger appliances that can handle full meals. We've looked at features, real customer ratings, and overall value to put this list together. Make sure you stick around until the end because the #1 pick may be the most practical overall. All product links are in the description below, and keep in mind that prices and availability can change at any time. Let's get into it. Starting at number 10, we have the Beelicious Pro Handheld Vacuum Sealer with the VacSense series. If you're tired of throwing out half-used produce or leftovers, this cordless sealer could help you cut down on food waste. It uses 75 kilopascals of suction to remove air in seconds and includes 30 BPA-free reusable bags in 3 sizes, which are safe for the dishwasher, freezer, fridge, and microwave. The 2,000 milliamp-hour battery delivers up to 1,000 seals on a charge, and built-in liquid detection automatically shuts it off if moisture is detected. It's palm-sized, USB-C rechargeable, and easy to take on the go. Priced at $49.99 with a 5 out of 5-star rating across 42 reviews, it's a newer release with strong early feedback. Coming in at number 9 is the TrendPlain 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer. If you've ever struggled with messy pours or used way more oil than you intended, this dual-function dispenser may help. It works as both a fine mist sprayer and a steady pour bottle, giving you better control whether you're greasing an air fryer basket, dressing a salad, or finishing a steak. Each spray dispenses about 0.15 grams of oil, which can be useful for anyone trying to manage portion sizes. It's made from BPA-free, heat-resistant glass that's odorless and easy to clean. At only $7.99 with a 4.6 out of 5-star rating across more than 39,000 reviews, it's one of the most affordable upgrades on this list. At number 8, we have the ioion electric salt and pepper grinder set. If you want effortless one-handed seasoning while you cook, this battery-powered set could be useful. Just press to grind, release to stop, and the built-in LED light shines down so you can see exactly how much you're adding, which is handy for grilling at night or dim dinner lighting. It offers 5 adjustable coarseness levels for everything from fine table salt to chunky pepper for steaks, uses durable ceramic blades, and has a large transparent capacity so you can refill less often. It runs on 4 AAA batteries, not included. It's listed at $22.99 with a 4.4 out of 5-star rating across nearly 7,000 reviews. Before we get to the top 6, if you're enjoying the video so far, a quick subscribe really helps the channel and means a lot. Now, let's keep going. Coming in at number 7 is the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker in Retro Mint. If boiled eggs are part of your weekly meal prep, this little appliance can take the guesswork out of stovetop boiling. It cooks up to 7 eggs at once, lets you choose between soft, medium, and hard-boiled using the pre-marked measuring cup, and shuts off automatically when they're done. The included measuring cup also has a piercing pin to help prevent cracked shells. It's compact enough for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. At just $11.99 with a 4.5 out of 5-star rating across more than 13,000 reviews, it's an affordable pick that punches above its price. At number 6, we have the Mecity 2-Slice Smart Toaster. If you've outgrown your basic plastic toaster and want something more refined, this stainless steel model with a 4.4-inch touchscreen may be worth a look. You can pick from 6 browning levels and several bread settings, including bagels, muffins, waffles, and gluten-free, all with a single tap. The slots are 1.5 inches wide for thicker breads. The heating elements have been tuned for more even toasting, and the non-stick food-grade interior plus removable crumb tray make cleanup straightforward. It's listed at $49.99 with a 4.6 out of 5-star rating across nearly 2,000 reviews. A modern upgrade for anyone who toasts daily. Coming in at number 5 is the Dezin Electric Hot Pot in 1.5 liters. If you live in a dorm, a small apartment, or just want a backup cooker for quick meals, this 1.5-liter electric pot may work well. It uses a non-stick coating that lets you sauté, fry, boil, and simmer all in one pot, so you can cook ramen, steak, fried rice, oatmeal, or soup without a stove. It has 2 power settings at 250 and 600 watts, plus overheating and boil-dry protection built in. A silicone spatula is included. It's listed at $33.99 with a 4.6 out of 5-star rating across nearly 10,000 reviews. A versatile little workhorse for compact cooking spaces. At number 4, we have the STIRMAX 7.5-quart digital multi-cooker in midnight blue. This one earns number 1 because of how much cooking it can replace on your counter. The standout feature is the 360-degree automatic paddle that stirs and shreds for you, meaning you can step away while risotto, stews, sauces, or pulled meats cook without burning or sticking. It comes with 9 programmed presets, including STIRMAX, BraiseMax, Slow Cook, Stew, Steam, Sauté, Risotto, Rice, and Keep Warm, so you can sear or brown right in the pot before simmering. The 7.5-quart capacity is generous enough to fit 2 whole 3-pound chickens or 6 pounds of pork. The ceramic-coated non-stick pot is free of PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS, and the pot, lid, and paddle are all dishwasher safe. It's priced at $74.04 with a 4.5 out of 5-star rating across 180 reviews. For hands-free convenience and the sheer number of meals it can handle, the Power XL STIRMAX stands out as the strongest overall pick. Coming in at number 3, we have the Neretva 20-in-1 bread maker in green. If fresh homemade bread sounds great, but the kneading and timing feel overwhelming, this machine handles almost all of it for you. It offers 20 programmed menus, including basic, French, sweet, whole wheat, gluten-free, pizza dough, jam, yogurt, and even cake, with 3 crust shade options. The dual heaters at the top and bottom are designed to bake more evenly. The non-stick ceramic pan is easy to clean, and a 15-hour delay timer means you can wake up to fresh bread. It runs under 40 decibels, so it won't disturb the household. Priced at $119.99 with a 4.4 out of 5-star rating across more than 4,200 reviews. It's a strong pick for home bakers who want variety without that hassle. At number 2, we have the Bella 7-piece modular gadget in oat milk. If your kitchen drawers are overflowing with mismatched tools, this collection could be worth checking out. It includes a grater, pizza cutter, ice cream scoop, peeler, take-apart shears, bottle opener, and a magnetic crock with a removable divider, so all your daily essentials stay neatly organized on the counter. The magnetic base snaps together with other Bella modular accessories, the gadgets are dishwasher safe, and the soft-touch TPR handles are designed for a comfortable grip. It's listed around $52.53 with a 4.6 out of 5-star rating across 45 reviews. A clean, organized pick for anyone who wants their everyday tools in one tidy spot. And now, taking the top spot, we have the Starfrit Rotato Express Electric Peeler. If peeling potatoes, apples, or cucumbers feels like a chore, this hands-free gadget could make prep work a lot easier. You just clamp the produce in, press the button, and it peels automatically, stopping on its own when finished. It works on everything from potatoes to kiwis, and includes 2 spare blades stored underneath, a thumb knife for paring, and a non-slip base for stability. It runs on a 6-volt adapter for plug-and-play convenience. Priced at around $29.19 with a 4.4 out of 5-star rating across more than 21,000 reviews. It may be a good option for big batch cooking, holiday prep, or anyone with hand fatigue. And that wraps up our countdown of 10 kitchen gadgets worth considering. Every kitchen is different, so the right pick really comes down to how you cook, the space you have, and what you make most often. All the product links are in the description below where you can check current pricing and availability, since both can change. If this video helped you narrow things down, a quick like and subscribe really supports the channel, and let us know in the comments which gadget caught your eye. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.